Shalom LevLeib. Unfortunately, in some country, it's illegal to bury a body without cremation. What will happen if a non-Jewish body is cremated? Would it help the soul if the ashes are buried after cremation?
I mean, it's irrelevant, but yeah, I mean, bury if possible, yeah. It's better than they just stay on top in the jar. Wow, that's very terrible. Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So would it be problematic if these ashes are spread out? I don't know.
No, don't do this. It's idol worshippers do that. Just put them in the ground. It says person comes in the ground and has to go in the ground. Just straightforward way.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So it is for sure that someone that gets cremated, Shalom won't revive on the time of the.
That's a very good question. So I'm not sure. I hope the question is not. I mean, maybe that they're going to revive with resurrection of the dead, but I'm not 100% sure. Because the whole reconstruction comes from this loose bone. So even though they say that it's indestructible in the fire, on one hand, but when they give ashes, so I think there is no bones there. Maybe they take out bones, so I'm not an expert in bones.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
This question says, regarding a convert having non-Jewish parents, is it preferable to arrange them to be buried instead of cremated if their wishes are to be cremated?
That's a very good question. So if they want to be cremated, but you prefer, I mean, that's proper for them to get buried. So I mean, I would say like this. You're not obligated to spend extra money to do that. Right? If it's let's say if a person is not very rich to begin with, and this if they're going to cancel a cremation and do the burial, it's going to cost them 3 times or 4 times more. For example, of course, it's not going to come. If it can come from inheritance, there is no problem. But if it's from your own money, so you're not obligated. Basically, you can do it, but you're not obligated. Especially if you don't have, if you have to borrow this and that, so you're not obligated. If you get inheritance, for example, from them, yeah, and you can afford, yeah, that would be proper to do that.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.